Hi guys, so I've been presented a challenge the other day. A client of mine, they bought a Trimble total station, a robotic S5, but the only communication is via Bluetooth. So we had not been able to get any distance with the TSC3 or the Yuma tablet, which they own. However, they've been using my TSC7, which has a way better, longer range Bluetooth without any issues. So I remember from the days way back when I had my Leica station and I used the Parani Sena SD1000U, and I even tried the newer model, the UD100G03. However, these are intended to convert the Bluetooth into a serial port and connect via serial port, where Trimble SCS900 wouldn't recognize the total station if you want to connect like that. So you couldn't fake it that you are connected via cable. Now I was presented the challenge to get my theirs Yuma2 tablet with SCS900 connected to the total station without any issues. So finally, I just out of the blue went and I just bought a regular Bluetooth adapter. It says ultra long range, clear distortion. It's for connecting mouse, keyboard, headset, and other Bluetooth devices. So I have bought this. It came and it was successful. The Trimble Yuma tablet and SCS900 connected without any issues, and I was able to get 250 meters out of it, which is great, exactly what my client need. I even mounted it here, so I got the 90 USB extension here, coming here, so you can actually kind of do it that way, and it's not gonna really interfere with your day-to-day, hanging the tablet on a tripod, on a pogo. So here is the screenshot with my test where I had the 250 meters via Bluetooth to the Trimble total station, and I'll post the links to these adapters here in the notes. So if you run into the same issue, hopefully this will help you out. So just a generic long range Bluetooth adapter which works like a charm. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one.